all forms of precipitation and bounce back. By reading changes in the shape of the radio waves when they return, radar can determine how and how fast the storm is moving. Weather balloons carry equipment that measures temperature, pressure, and humidity as the balloons rise. Hurricane hunter aircraft fly above and directly into hurricanes, dropping special instruments called dropsums. The devices take measurements as they fall, gathering information that helps meteorologists predict the path and intensity of the storm. To get a complete picture of weather and climate, scientists need data from all over the world. Equipment in weather stations constantly gathers information, but equipment can break down. In remote areas, that means someone needs to stick around to keep things running smoothly. 2 engineers staff the Barrow Observatory, at the northernmost point in the United States, year-round. News of a tornado sends most people scrambling for shelter, but scientists who study them sometimes race toward terrifying tornadoes, trying to gather as much information as they can. This mobile Doppler radar was part of a tornado research project called Vortex 2. It allowed scientists to take close-range readings from the storm. What does climate change have to do with it? Your local weather is affected by larger patterns around the world. High in the atmosphere, massive air currents circle the Earth. Ocean currents carry warm water from the equator to the poles. Big changes in temperatures, like the ones caused by global climate change, alter air and ocean currents, leading to huge differences in weather patterns and more extreme weather. Storms. With howling winds, lightning, and flash flooding, powerful storms can change a landscape in a matter of minutes. Read on to learn about some of the most dangerous storms and how to avoid them. Thunderstorms. Broken trees, downed power lines, flash flooding, and deadly tornadoes. Thunderstorms can mean serious trouble, but they all start with just a little lift. When air temperatures near the ground are much warmer than temperatures higher up, the air is unstable. Warm air is less dense than cold air, so a small nudge called lift will cause the warm air to rise, carrying moisture with it. That moisture reaches colder temperatures in the atmosphere and freezes, forming a cloud of ice crystals. Eventually, the moisture falls as rain, sleet, or hail, bringing cold air down with it. It might sound simple, but that fast-moving cold air can create winds up to 100 miles per hour, and those ice crystals and changing temperatures can lead to deadly lightning. In the United States, lightning kills about 50 people every year. Most of those people are caught out in the open, in fields or on the water when lightning strikes. At the first sign of a thunderstorm, the only safe thing to do is head indoors. Thunderstorms form most often during the summer months. That's when warm, moist air near the ground makes a big storm likely. Occasionally, the conditions necessary for thunder and lightning occur during the winter. Lightning storms during those months are known as thundersnow. What is lightning? If you've ever gotten a shock from a carpet, you've created lightning. Scuffing picks up extra electrons from the carpet and builds up a negative charge. Those electrons jump from your finger to a positively charged piece of metal in a bolt of electricity. In a lightning storm, the bolt is much, much bigger, but the story is the same. The thunderstorm clouds carry a big negative charge, and the ground has a positive charge. The air between them serves as insulation until the charge becomes too great. Then the electrons jump from one to the other in a supercharged lightning bolt. Lightning can reach 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's almost 5 times as hot as the sun. A bolt from the blue. Lightning is hot. Really, really hot. As it travels to the ground, it heats the air molecules around it. The superheated molecules explode outward, creating sound waves that we hear as thunder. If you can hear thunder, you are in striking distance, even if the sky above you is blue. Cloud to ground, CG lightning,